Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. How's it going? I'm going to show you how you can increase average order value on Shopify without spending any more money on ads, without generating any more traffic. We're just going to leverage custom product bundles, custom product kits, and this is really all about making more money with the same amount of traffic. We're not going to need to send extra emails or buy more ads or anything like that. We're going to increase average order value through the very proven strategies of product bundling and creating kits. And really more than that, we're going to allow the customer to create their own bundles and their own kits so they really feel like they're getting the best deal. That's going to lead to the highest conversion rate. And we're going to just get customers to spend more money with bundling. We're going to have them hopefully buy multiple 2, 3, 4, 5 products at a time. Custom bundling really allows for an infinite amount of possibilities as well. So the customers always end up with exactly what they want. But the crazy thing is there's no built-in way to do this on Shopify. You need to use an app, and the app of course needs to work with all different themes, all different product types, so all the bundles can be created without any type of issue. And we need to be able to set up the app without any type of technical skill or past experience. And the app that I'm going to show you here is called Tier. And this is what I use to create these really custom bundles. This is what I highly recommend. You're going to see that we'll be able to create a setup where customers can literally create any type of bundle that they want, any product in your store. We'll set it all up, we'll go over the shoulder, and I'll show you just how powerful this is. You're looking at the Tier Bundles upsell app, and first of all, take a look at the amazing 5-star reviews over here, over 40 reviews. And I'm going to show you exactly why this is so powerful, but you're going to see how it's going to increase average order value, right? We're going to be able to bundle and create custom kits and upsell offers that are going to incentivize the customer to add more product into their cart. And this is fully customizable. We're going to be able to create different combinations, different types of setups, no coding, no technical skills at all. Very easy to use. You'll see. Here's some of the screenshots in there in terms of this is actually a buy 3, get 20% off little bundle over here. Here's a buy 3, get 15%, buy 2, get 5%, right? So we can get some really advanced kind of options in here, all different looks and feels as well. So we can customize this to fit inside of our look and feel of our site. And we get great analytics as well. Also very important, it looks good on mobile. So you can go ahead and read more about this. I invite you to take a look at the link again directly below this video. But we're going to go ahead and install this into a demo store. All you need to do, press the Add App button, and you're going to get the only bundling app that allows swapping between products, automatic inventory management, no code required. All we need to do is just press Install App, and this is going to be added into our store. And I'm going to show you the power of it as we get through the onboarding here. I'm going to set up a few examples and show you exactly why you want to use Tier. So we're on our dashboard over here now. We can get back to it anytime in the apps section by clicking back into Tier. And what we're going to want to do over here is take a look at the settings. We'll come back to create bundles in a second. I'm going to walk you through that. But we'll take a look at some of the settings over here. And here's a really interesting one that you want to take a look at, bundle redirect. We could choose where you want the customer to go after the bundle. Default going to go to checkout. So they'll be able to skip the cart because they have that little kind of cart confirmation as part of the bundle since they're kind of making those choices here. So we're going to stick them at checkout, but we could also send them anywhere else, sending them back to the current page or to the shopping cart if you have stuff going on the cart page. But checkout is the typical location that we want to send them here for sure. This is just going to be about where and when are we going to show the bundle display location after product section or after product description or after the payment buttons. Again, sticking with the default over here. If you are an advanced or working on the code or CSS, you could actually even include the custom CSS class or ID code right here for advanced users. But you're going to want to stick with after product section, definitely the easiest. You can read more about that over here. And in terms of some of the bundle automations, these are really cool. Display on cart, basically going to show a bundle option on the cart page if someone adds a product to cart, and there's a couple other options as well. Layout as well in terms of kind of look and feel and the width percentage. You could play around with how this is going to look inside of your theme. You could also deal with translations for any type of language or translation that you want, or even just renaming some of the button text out there. Full control over sizing, color scheme as well. We're going to want to come over here and match our look and feel. So I could pick a nice little red, and we can go with a nice color scheme like that for our buttons. And we can continue on here and continue to customize. We could even add in some advanced CSS, make sure that we are saving the entire time as well. There we go. So coming down here, save. So a lot that we can really do. We're going to come back to the dashboard. Those are just some basic settings, and you'll see it more. It's going to make more sense once we have a bundle in action. So let's go ahead and create a bundle, and I'll walk you through the types of bundles there are, and then we'll go ahead and create one. You have a bundle page. This is going to create an independent bundle page, right? So literally a page for your bundle. Let's say you have something like a cat lovers gift pack, or a Christmas gift pack, or a birthday gift pack, where multiple products, and you want to display them all on one page. Here's a little example of it, right? We have a soapbox bundle example all on this page. We also have a product page bundle, a little bit different. This is an upsell, right? So when we take a look at this, and actually I'm going to show you the example first. This is going to be an idea where we have a product, and then we're going to be able to, as you see, instead of bundling them, we're going to add them on top. So what we want to do, really up to you in terms of how you want your look and feel to kind of work with. I like typically having the product. It gives a little bit more flexibility, but you can create an either instance here however you want. You could also create both. Doesn't really matter. And I'm going to set up over here the bundle with some cat related products. So I'm going to set this product over here to start the mouse pad. It's a cat lover mouse pad. So the cat mouse pad is the main product, and we're going to go over here and give a header over here. We could put something like the perfect combo for cat lovers, and we could put a little bundle description for cat lovers. We could even add a specific promo image to this bundle over here. Now what we want to do is actually set the products in the bundle. So what we want to do now, add in products. I'm going to go through, this is my entire product catalog, and I'm going to add a few cat products into this bundle. So I've added a few products into this bundle. You see a couple different items here: t-shirts, toys, some beds, canvas prints, all this different stuff. You want it to be very related, obviously, all relevant, so the customer can have a high affinity to buy any of the different products in the bundle. Next, what we want to do, I'm going to show you add swap product, and we're going to come over here, and we're going to select a different type of canvas print over here to be that swap product. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works as we go over the shoulder. I'll show you what the customer is going to see, but we're going to set this swap product right over here, this other type of framed canvas. And as we continue to come down here, again, we have the different products that we've added in here. We can continue to add more. We could actually add swap collections as well if we wanted to automate entire collections. As we come into the discount section, we have a couple of different options for our discount controls. Tiered discount is definitely the way to go. This is going to be that buy more, save more. We're going to incentivize them to buy more, and it really depends on how many products are going to be added into the bundle. We could have it really controlled up to a maximum of 7 over here because we added 7 products. We'll set it to be into a different setup here, but we could have automatically how many products will be added in, and you see the different discount percentages. So we can give either percentage discount or fixed dollar discount. This is going to be that incentive. So you see, if they buy 2, they'll get 5%. If they buy 3, they'll get 10%. You see all the numbers are filling in here because you're not going to want to give lower numbers for higher quantities, right? You want to incentivize them to buy more. And these discounts get applied automatically. Very, very powerful here. So in terms of this bundle here, we have 7 potential products. They can save up to 30% if they buy or if they add all 7 into their cart and check out. And they'll get that automated discount on here. So we'll go ahead and click Create Bundle. This is actually going to go ahead and create our first bundle over here. And then we'll want to come over and enable it, of course. This is going to make it live on our site. And now I'm going to show you how it looks. So here is how the customer is going to view it, right? So they see our cat lover mouse pad. And of course, they could add the product to cart just as one. But what we have is the perfect combo for cat lovers, right? We set that. Set the little tagline as well. We could have added a custom bundle image over here. And now we start to see our product with the discounted pricing if they were going to, in this case, add 4 into their cart for that 15% off discount. So the customer has full control over these bundles with tier. And again, they could literally come through and add or remove products from their bundle. They could choose the variants. If it's something like a t-shirt, this is really important, right? Allowing them to select their size. But you'll see they could remove a product from the bundle and the discount will go down. They could add it and the discount will go back up. They could even add another product like the discount, here we go, all the way back up 25%. So full control over this, removing, adding. This is the only app that gives customers full control over the bundling. And take a look at this. How about they don't like this yin yang canvas, but they want to continue this bundle, right? They really like building the bundle. They want to add more product in here. We have the swap. And remember, we set up the swap in the back end where I'm going to give a different type of canvas option over here. They could just simply swap it right into their bundle. Then it becomes a product just like any other bundled product. And if we go over here and we have in this case, the buy for 15% off. We could also remove this swap product. We could add it back in. We could, of course, come back and you could have multiple swap products. You could have swap collections. So you have entire product catalogs for people to view. And this is a really cool way. Again, like I said, if they're starting to create their bundle, you want to give them as many options as possible so you can increase that average order value. So that was Tier Bundles, the only bundling app that allows for swapping between products. It's got automatic inventory management, so you don't need to worry about anything else. There's no additional setup. You saw it all right in this video. Definitely the best app when it comes to creating these custom bundles and these kits. You could really drastically increase your average order value and simply make more from every single click. So again, link directly below this video. I highly recommend Tier Bundles. Get it in your store right now. Get those upsells going and see the big effect of it. I hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.